set up the Thai flag, the Iran flag at the end of the table. That's awesome.
Pomegranate juice and cinnamon.
Thank you.
Very hot.
And it's hot too.
Hot.
Yeah, that cinnamon just smells incredible.
And some cinnamon.
Wow. Oh, that's just the pure pomegranate juice. Just infused with, it's actually, there's so much cinnamon in there. It's like spicy from the cinnamon. Wow. It's very warming and nice when it's cold outside. Soup in a bread bowl, and then he sprinkled on some pepper. Try some of the soup.
Alors, soupe چیه؟
Super good.
Barley
Barley soup. Wow.
You like it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's olives and walnuts and pomegranates.
Walnut
Yeah.
paste. Walnut paste.
Yeah.
Olives in there.
Yeah.
And pomegranates.
Yeah.
That's
And we
amazing.
call it zeytun parvarde.
And you just eat it like this, or do you put it on bread?
Yeah, no, just have
And
it.
just have it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That is amazing.
It is good.
Yeah. Like walnut butter. Smoky walnut butter. The brine.
Yeah, Kubide. Wow. He's the king of the kebab.
The kebab king.
Yeah.
The kebab sultan.
Yeah.
It's like walking into a kebab production line.
Yeah, look at
There's
that.
those smoky grilled tomatoes, the kubide, the best kebabs in Iran,
Yeah.
right? The juicy lamb
And
kebab,
chenge.
the fillet, and then all over top of the tomato and pepper. You're walking into a butter factory.
Yeah.
It's so much butter. Look at that. Oh. And you can see the butter just melting on there.
Yeah.
Merci. And
Wow.
look at that bread right on the tandoor. It's got that tandoor smell.
Obshalasi.
Oh, extra butter as a gift. Merci. Oh. Wow.
Merci.
Merci. One more bread.
Wow.
Merci.
So we've got kubide, sesame, tomato,
And the green
and
pepper.
the green pepper, and fillet kebab. We normally take the bread,
Normally take the bread.
yeah, put the kebab inside,
Oh yeah.
and some kubide.
Look at that.
Merci.
Oh, merci.
This is for you.
Thank you. And I'm just gonna cover it. Oh, Persian butter. Persian
And
butter.
have some stomach.
Oh.
Even more. Let's go.
Try it out. Oh, kele con kele. Kele con kele.
And this kebab is more famous in Ardabil. My dad came from Ardabil as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
It's your dad's hometown meat.
yeah, exactly.
Oh, man. Oh, you can really just mix it in. They're really,
Really good.
Really
The
good.
best in the world.
best. Merci.
خیلی خوش اومد.
Oh, wow.
We've got kubide and chicken kebab.
Look at it, just soak up the butter.
Wow.
Kubide, onion.
Onion with parsley.
With parsley.
Yeah. Butter, tomato. Look at that.
Look at the mountain of butter just melting. Oh, and there it is. We're adding the more tomatoes and butter. Look at that. Never seen that before. So many tomatoes and butter. And they just get sliced up into the juice. And that butter is gonna melt and go with these kubide. Oh, wow. And he's just adding kubide into the buttery tomatoey goodness. And those are gonna be added with the Persian wrap. Oh, look at the butter on there. That is what it's all about. Wow. We're just soaking that in the butter. Humwezesha. That is unlike anything I've ever seen.
It's
Nothing is
unreal.
as buttery as that. And there it is.
Look at that.
Look at that, covered in tomato and
Yeah.
butter. And there it is.
And look at that.
Oh my goodness, it's so sloppy and buttery. Oh, that is the sloppiest, most buttery,
And
juicy looking,
Tomatoey.
tomatoey, sloppy wrap I've ever seen.
Yeah.
With kubide.
Yeah.
And it's full of the onion with parsley.
Yeah.
Let's try it out. Mmm. Wow.
My first time to have kubide like this.
That right there.
Yeah.
That is so buttery. It's so delicious. This right here is worth coming to Tehran for.
Yeah.
The sloppy,
Look at that.
buttery.
And only in Tehran.
Only in Tehran. Oh man.
The best of the best.
The best of the best. Only in Tehran.
Yeah.
Merci.
Messi.
Super delicious.
Name is Bandari. Iranian name is Bandari.
Okay, so the chef has prepared they're all egg dishes. They're all like omelet dishes. There's like a massive trough of an omelet. My plate is full. To jumpstart the digestive system. Okay, now we can move on to eggs and bacon, the bacon pyramid. My entire plate is just filled with bacon and egg, and just solid protein, meat and egg. Oh wow, that is amazing. I think there's corn in there and peppers too, and just the spice, like the herbalness of it. The Thai chicken omelet.
Wow. And the taddy go on top.
And they've also given us a plate of the tajin, the upside down
Upside
Persian
down rice.
rice with saffron on the bottom. And I'm gonna take some of that tadig with the rice, tomato sauce, and the meat. Oh wow. Oh, it's so delicious. This is the best food. The best meal in Iran. Oh, and this is the herbal dill with broad bean rice. Oh yeah. You can taste the dill and butter.
And pork beans.
What I love about this is how soft the rice is.
Yeah. Let's go for shish kebab.
Shish kebab. Oh yes. Kapitan Abed shish kebab.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Oh.
نگو پیر شدم من دیگه سیر شدم من به عشق شور مستی بدو ای عزیزم مثل قهرمون ها عشق و بگیر دو دستی بیا عاشقی کن این دو سه روز هستی اگه این چنین نیست از غم و غصه رستی
MashaAllah.
Thank you.